warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I'm Flora and I'm from MTS Al Murshidiyah and I'm in the 9th grade. Today I'm gonna make a tutorial on how to make a simple sushi. So the ingredient is a seaweed or nori, cucumber, carrot and sausage that already boiled and sliced, some cooked rice, and some mayonnaise. First, we're gonna take 1 sheet of nori here and put some white rice on it. And then we're gonna put some carrots, cucumber, and sausage in it. And then we put some mayonnaise in it. And then we're gonna roll it over, but carefully so it didn't break. Yeah, just like this.